Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar Swiss, we had that big push down on Friday from non farm payroll numbers. We've been kind of pulling back ever since. Even if this does end up being a correction to this last move up, I would still expect it to at least make one more wave down before it continued the uptrend. If this really is a wave C up here, then I would expect this to be like a wave one, wave two, and eventually go down for wave three and break this lower structure. So either scenario, we definitely do want to try to get short when we can. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. If we get a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, that is the sort I'm looking for. So if it goes out into 61 and breaks structure, that's the sort I'm looking for. If it doesn't and it pushes up to the 78% and then breaks to the downside, that would be the sort that I'm looking for. So waiting patiently for my next shorting opportunity, watching the 61 and the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thanks for watching and happy trading.